Today I'm reviewing this oscillating bladeless tower fan by Conbola. It's completely bladeless, so no chopping off fingers. It has a 90-degree wide oscillation, ultra quiet, 3 adjustable speeds, and a timer, and it's rechargeable, so it's portable too. I love that it's rechargeable, and I can't wait to test it out. So this is the white version. It also comes in gray as shown on the box. I'm going to use a longer cable I already have sitting here. Plugs in right in the bottom here. So as you can see, it's charging right now, and we'll have to test the battery as well. Let's turn the power on. Okay, so speed 1. It's coming out nicely. It's very quiet. I don't know what it sounds like through the microphone, but in this room it's very nice. Slightly louder, but it sounds nice. Definitely feel the difference. And let's try the next setting. I think this is the max. Okay, so this is the full speed. Let's point it right at me. It's not ultra powerful, but it feels nice. I mean, I still feel it from back here. Yeah, I have to say, I do feel it from across the room. And let's try oscillating at the higher speed. It still oscillates very nice and smooth. And it also has ambient lighting. Couple of brightness settings. So yes, so far so good. However, this is a rechargeable fan with a 10,000 mAh battery, which is pretty good. It's the same like in this power bank here. This is a 10,000 mAh battery as well. So I'm gonna let it finish charging, and then I'm gonna see how long it runs before it shuts off. And then we'll finish the video. Okay, I tested out the battery life, and here are the results. Now, I should mention first that it didn't come fully charged out of the box like most things, so I did have to charge it for quite a while for it to reach full battery. And I thought the results were impressive. So starting from 100% battery, I let this fan run on the highest speed while oscillating, and it ran for 5 hours, 19 minutes, and 26 seconds before it shut off. I thought that was pretty impressive, like 5 hours, 20 minutes to round it off. That's pretty good. Then I charged it again to 100%, and I ran it on the lowest speed without oscillating. I got 10 hours, 21 minutes, and 7 seconds. I didn't bother testing it with the light on. But I thought those results were very impressive, and it made me think of all the things I can do with this fan. For example, summer is right around the corner, and when we go to the pool it gets really hot. It would be great to have 5+ hours of fan without having to plug it in. Or we're even outside in the backyard having a barbecue. I can see tons of reasons to use this. And at first I thought this was just a cool looking fan, but after testing the battery out, I'm excited about it. So to wrap it up, I think this is a great fan. It seems like it's well built, it's stylish, I like that it has a built-in light, it oscillates nicely, it's quiet, and having that 10,000 mAh battery for portability is just great. Now, it isn't the most powerful fan. It's not going to be ultra disruptive with papers flying everywhere and your hair blowing back, but it does have 3 nice speeds, it oscillates, it's quiet, and it's ultra portable. And right now it's $30.99 on Amazon. You can find links in the description. And that's it, another quality product. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you'd like to see more of my reviews, please subscribe to my channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. And of course, thanks so much for watching.